You may have heard of the metaphor of looking at an issue from all angles. I think of it like this. If there were four of us and we were looking at an elephant all from the front, our description of him would or could be similar. Though one might describe, his trunk, another his tusk, somebody else his legs, someone else his eyes. But for the most part, we would be describing the front of him, and we could all attest to the other's narrative because we have witnessed the same sight. Now, if the four of us were to spread out and I stood behind him, you stayed in front, and the other two on the sides of him, then our descriptions would change according to what we've seen and experienced. We would be describing different parts of the same elephant. Now, I have to be careful not to discredit my neighbor's description because they had not seen the creature from my vantage point. But if I choose to lean in and learn from their experience, then my view of the elephant grows, and so does my knowledge and my wisdom. The same is true when we speak of cultural diversity. It's okay that we're not all the same. We may have different views and experiences in the same place. I think we should welcome the stories of others, because if I've only seen goodness from the angle of my view, then I can give you hope that good still exists, and I can help you attain it too. And if you've experienced danger from the same, then I can learn what to avoid or help fix what's broken. Even if I feel powerless and I can do nothing, I can listen and I can love. But it starts with us as believers in Christ saying, come, let's sit at the same table. Let's share our stories and our lives without hate, without animosity or prejudgment. See, I love how Paul says it in Ephesians chapter 4, verses 2 and 3. He says, be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. So, today, humbly and gently tell your story.